Previously on Canon IVY review. Look at this. Wow. I am so impressed. Oh my gosh. Like, this is pretty much like the original photo. I want to try a different kind of lighting, different kind of editing style, and see if the colors are still accurate. Can you just tell which one is more accurate? It's not identical. Before you print, make sure to turn down your saturation on your phone. Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be comparing the Canon IVY CLIQ+ and CLIQ+2. One of the viewers informed me that Canon CLIQ+2 came out not long ago. After she told me more and more viewers want to see the review on the CLIQ+2, they said that they can't find a review anywhere, so that's what I'm here for. If you recall from the last video when I was comparing the Canon Plus, you would know I prefer the Canon IVY a lot more than this one with the camera, which is the CLIQ+. So that's what I'm here for today, to compare the CLIQ+ and the CLIQ+2. As usual, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. And let's do the unboxing first. I wanted to get a rose gold one. When I ordered at that time, they only had this color, and it's actually not black. It's midnight navy, and this comes in a few different colors as well. This is how it looks like. Ooh, hold on. Wow, I actually like this view a lot. And again, they always have those directions telling you how to put the zinc paper into the device. So that's that. Zinc paper, a charger, and this little strap that you can tie it over here so you can have like something to hold on to when you're taking a photo. I think that's not easy to put on. So yeah, that is all in the box. If you didn't know before you watched this video, Canon CLIQ+ and CLIQ+2, they're the mini photo printers. They use zinc paper, so they don't need ink, which is very nice. Two ways to print a photo, so you can connect to your phone, an iPad, and print out the photo that way. It is Bluetooth connected. That's originally what I was looking for. It's nice to print out something that's already edited. It's also an instant camera, so you can just snap a photo. CLIQ+2 retails for $129. Although I'm seeing on Amazon right now, it has 3 other different colors, gray and pink and green. These ones are only for $69.99. They're not going to be in stock until January 20th, 2021. Let's put in the zinc paper. So this is how it looks like with the blue sheet facing down. Very simple. You basically just pop it open. Over here has a tiny little arrow, so you just like push it and it's open. It's that easy. The blue sheet facing down like this, and then you close this up, push it down first, and click. For the CLIQ+2, it has landscape, portrait, and selfie mode, which this one doesn't have. The zinc paper, you can peel the back off. You can stick it on your journal and fridge. Yeah, in case you didn't know. Let's test it out. This probably doesn't have battery, so I have to move closer to the charger. Turn it on. I think you can print black and white. For the CLIQ+, you can print out different sizes. The zinc paper is 2x3, so I've never actually tried 2x2. They look very similar and pretty much the exact same size too. When you're trying to take a selfie, you can see yourself through this mirror right here, so you know if you're in frame or not, and I think that's very important. So yeah, let's try to take a selfie. Surprisingly, I think this one has battery. Okay, I think it's coming out. Oh, it's just the blue paper, so I guess that didn't count. I forgot about the blue sheet. Okay, well, that didn't count. Let's take a selfie again. Look, it's blinking so pretty. Oh, wait. I think it's coming out. That's why it's blinking right here. Ooh, it's coming. Wow. First impression. Let me think. What do you think? I think the quality is honestly just okay. I wouldn't be like, wow, it's not bad. Let me take a photo with this. Hold it down for 3 seconds and it's not on. Hello? It has that sound. Okay, it's on. So I'm going to take a very similar photo and to compare the two. What did I take? Okay, it's blinking. Wow, not a good well, but wow, it's so different. Okay, I like the CLIQ+2 more. Look at this, it's so white. This one, it's more saturated. Look at the difference though. One is so like paled and one is so saturated. I definitely like the CLIQ+2 more, but if you do like this pale look, you might want to go for the CLIQ+. I'm going to take a selfie, but this time I'm setting it to the portrait mode. Oh my god, I turned it off already. Don't know if I got on camera, but when I was taking the photo, like over here lights up. It's actually really pretty. Not bad. Okay, I know why this thing lights up, because it's against my ring light and it's not good to go against the light. I'm so dumb. Hold on. This is how it looks like. Let me take one with my ring light, not going against. I don't know what I was thinking. I like it. It actually comes out pretty good. How does that look to you? I think the portrait mode has this softer look, but the background is not blurry, so I'm not sure what makes it portrait mode. So far, it's not bad. Let's print out some photos. That's what I care about the most. When you're taking a photo, it's different than when you're printing out from your phone. Let's compare the two. These cameras turn it off very fast if you don't use it, so I guess it's a good thing that they try to save batteries. It's almost a little bit too fast. Instant camera right here. So just click on that. Once I click allow, it jumps into my app. I'm going to print my last thumbnail photo, which is this one right here. And you can move it around. So see, like this photo is a bit too big, or you can like make it smaller, bigger, zoom. Do however you want, okay? And again, you can adjust it over here, like the brightness, saturation, like how you want to edit your photo. This photo has already been edited, so I'm not going to do that. And also, you can add frames, add different frames, just play around with it. There's a ton. You can also add text. There's a ton of stickers. You can draw on it however you want. Print. Oh no, did it turn it off on me already? We play around too much. This is what I'm saying. It shuts it off too fast. Let's turn it back on and reconnect, and this time talk less. Alright, connected. Why is it not printing? I have to click on this and choose the device, and it should be printing. Over here also tells you the battery of your camera. Alright, it's printing. Not bad. Let's print out this photo right here of Kiki. It's pretty colorful, so let's print. Ooh, pretty good. I love this. The color quality is pretty accurate. I'm loving it so far. Just from printing out from my phone, I can tell that the CLIQ+2 is better than the CLIQ+1. Not the conclusion yet. We'll see. Okay. Pretty nice. The color accuracy is high. You know what I'm very curious about? I want to print with my Canon IVY as well to compare the difference, because remember, this is still my favorite one so far. Now I'm going to print out these two photos of me with the CLIQ+. Now I have the Canon IVY, Canon IVY CLIQ+, Canon IVY CLIQ+2 in front of me with my phone. You want to see? I have my answers. Do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fussing on fights, we'll keep and trust. And you make me want to say, I love you better today This is CLIQ+, and this is CLIQ+2. The CLIQ+ has more of a red tone. The CLIQ+2 has more of the orange tone. I think they both look good. I honestly don't know which one I would prefer. If you like more of the red tone, you go with the plus. If you like the orange tone, go with the +2. The red tone makes my teeth look more white, whereas the orange tone make my teeth look more yellowish. For this flower one, it's actually not that big of a difference. With the plus, it's still more red, and with the +2 is still more orange. I would say compared to Canon IVY, for the color accuracy, Canon IVY is still winning out of the three. Like comparing to what I see on my phone, it is the closest one. I think when it comes to the quality, the clarity, three of them are actually pretty similar. Alright, so for the conclusion, there are two things to look at. One is the printing quality when you're printing it from your phone. Two, the camera feature. With the printing quality from your phone, with a CLIQ+, it has more of the red tone, whereas the CLIQ+2 has more of the orange tone. So it depends on what you like. Honestly, I feel like it's not that big of a difference, but if I had to pick, I do like the red tone a little bit more than the orange tone. It doesn't make my skin as orange, it's more like a pink. But I gotta say, the orange tone one doesn't look bad either. So with the printing quality, I honestly can't really decide which one is better. It depends on what you prefer. Do you like the red tone more, or do you like the orange tone more? With the photo clarity, I honestly cannot tell a difference. Like, it's pretty much the same. I cannot tell a difference. So the only thing to look at is just the color, the tone. Now, when it comes to the camera feature, I do like the CLIQ+ a lot more. Look at these photos. This one is a lot more saturated, more vibrant, and this one it's just more pale and white, lack of color. When it's more saturated like this, it is more accurate because I definitely don't look that pale, I hope. So I do think the CLIQ+2 has a better camera quality. Some people prefer this because it's closer to the look of the traditional Polaroid photo. It's like white and you don't see any wrinkles on your face and just looking nice because, you know, it's all white. If you really want to have the camera with the printer like 2-in-1 like this, personally I like the CLIQ+2 more. If you're like me, like you only want to print and you don't want to take any photos, I am still in love with this Canon IVY. This color is definitely more accurate than these two. If you want a printer, Canon IVY. If you want a printer with a camera feature, then Canon IVY CLIQ+2. If you want a printer with a photo feature that looks closer to the traditional Polaroid look, then Canon IVY CLIQ+ it is. I'm actually loving Canon. Like, the first review I had was Polaroid Mint, and that one was very disappointing. The good thing about Canon that I realized so far is that it's pretty consistent. Like, if it's the red tone, every photo will have that red tone. It's not like jumping everywhere and depending on the photo. So it is predictable, and which is always a good thing because you can adjust on your phone, depends on your preference. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope this helps you to decide which one you want to get. Let me know in the comments below which one you decide on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye!
So pick up your things.